Stan and Chuck are just moving right along on our motor box. What they've done so far is on the inner walls, they put a layer 1708 and then cap that off with a layer of mat, pabbed all the corners. Looks like they did it in 2 layers 1708, 2 layers of mat. Done very nicely. The perimeter core Penske will be glued into place. It'll give the box some structure and they'll come in and tab. Good job, Stan Gladstone. As we're doing a hand layup, Stan's doing, he's putting straight resin, or actually just brushing it into the core so it goes into the perf holes. This core is already pre-perf as we use it for infusion on our bigger parts. And we want to make sure that we put enough down, knowing that our first piece of 1708 is going to suck up a lot of resin, you know, right out front. So kudos for getting the motor box in glass. First few rounds of fairing after we've got our motor box in fiberglass, working our way to ultra high build. Fairing. Last round to our final application of tooling gelcoat. After weeks of anticipation. No, it's nice, straight, flat, solid. You can dance on top of it. This is ready for gelcoat.